Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. I came with one video regarding to know whether material ledger is active for the valuation area or not. So I'm going to tell you how to check with respect to table and also how to check with respect to configuration. Let's go to the video. If you're watching our videos for the first time, just click on the subscribe button. And if you like the video, share with your SAP circle. I'm just giving one line about the material ledger. Material ledger is a tool used to manage your inventory in multiple currencies and perform multiple inventory valuation. It allows the client to manage its inventory in 3 currencies, which is previously being managed in only one currency with legal valuation. If material ledger is not activated, one currency, the valuation will be maintained. If material ledger is activated, we can maintain in multiple currencies. So whether you want to know, once you joined in a project, you're working in a support project, you want to know that material ledger is active for your valuation area. Mostly plant is a valuation area. So, but I want to use the word valuation area compared to plant, because there is an option you can have valuation area at a company code level also. So that I wanted to mention valuation area. So you want to know that, how to check it. If you go to the configuration path, SPRO controlling, product cost controlling, in that SPRO path, you can check whether material ledger is active for your valuation area or not. I'm going to show in SAP. Same path you can directly access with the transaction code called CKM9. Table wise, if you want to see, T001K is the table related to valuation area. So in that table itself, you will find a field called ML is active or not. Material ledger, the short form is ML. ML is active or not, you can check from T001K table. So let's check these 2 things here. This is a short video just to know that material ledger is active or not. In recent our project, we are just analyzing the options and the benefits of material ledger and what are things we can do it. And at that point of time, I was just checking that any other plants or company codes who activated material ledger to check their inventory balances and all those stuff. So then I got an idea, okay, let's make a video so that any consultant can check in their system, okay, what are the valuation areas are activated for material ledger. And if they want to analyze more details about the material ledger, they can check that respective valuation area and the transactions, the stock, all those details. Let's go to SAP. SPRO, reference IMG, controlling, product cost controlling, actual costing, material ledger, activate valuation areas for material ledger. Here you can double click on check material ledger settings. Give your plant and execute it. Here you can see the details. See, material ledger is not activated for this plant. You can give any other plant, which is, see, this plant is activated for material ledger. In this way, you can check whether respective plant is activated for material ledger or not. Okay. Like I mentioned in PPT, the same thing you can directly access with transaction code called CKM9. But it's always good to remember SPRO path, because transactions we may forget. But SPRO path means, yes, it is available in controlling, it is available in product cost controlling. At least 2-3 hints you can remember so that you can search on your own. Not only for this, I'm giving a generic suggestion. Transaction code, most probably we may forget by the time. Okay. See, CKM9 will directly take you to this place. Now we are going to check with respect to table. T001K. Okay. Violation area, BWKEY. I'm going to pass one plant which is not activated, one plant which is activated. Now execute it. See, ML active, material ledger is active or not, you can get here. For this plant, material ledger is active. For this plant, material ledger is not active. So this is the way how we can check with the table whether evaluation area is activated for material ledger or not. I hope this video is also helpful for you. If you feel the video is good, just click on like button and share our videos with your SAP cycle. If you have enrolled any of our Udemy courses, please spend 2 minutes of your time to give the valuable review. That will be an encouragement, and also it will boost our courses on Udemy platform. Thanks again for your all the support. Keep learning and keep sharing our videos to help maximum people. Have a good day. Thank you.